Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barkanmu da sake haduwa a video na biyu under CSS a week 5 Nano Web Development Fundamental Caliphate Solution Limited. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one of the most one of the important concepts in CSS that you people might not even exist in CSS. It's there. That is what you call a pseudo classes. A pseudo class is, what can I say? Okay, it's used to define a state of an element, or let's say a state of an element. Maybe let's take an example. Let me see. I think let's explain. See the code. Let's see what we can do about it. Okay. So last week this one is for the last video about where let me just comment it, where we say about pseudo or talk about combinators. So we see combinators kind of relationship that exists between element that CSS can be able to use and style element. So we have seen different relationships, and we see different way we can style them with their relationships based on the relationship. Okay, now we say state. Let's say we have a tag here. Let's say we have a tag here. Let me see href is equals to maybe going nowhere. Let me just see link and here. So now if you have this kind of thing in your page here like this, okay, you have a normal link like this. So this link has different states. What I mean by state is that when it is just like this, it is like a link. If you click on it, or you take your mouse over it, or you click on it, you have visited the link, or you click on it, you take your mouse over it and take your mouse away from it. All of these are different state of this link. So now what we say state is, we mean a kind of a position, the kind of condition that the link is here at the moment. So I think let me just try it in code and see. So how do we actually write code in how do we use this pseudo classes? Pseudo classes, they are very easy to use in CSS. What you only need to do, you need to see a selector, then colon, then you see a pseudo class. Pseudo class like this. Okay, so that is how you apply it, and maybe inside here you give it a different thing you want to give it to, like that. Okay, so now there is one thing here. That's how we do also in this our aspect here. This our selector, depending on the element you want to apply it to. This one is dependent on the class. So if we're talking about a link tag here, the selector will be now A. Then let me talk about the different types of link we have in CSS in pseudo class for a link. So number one, we must have a link. When it's a link, right, we have a link. We can also have another one. Let me see. Visited. Okay, let me say visited. I can say visited. Okay, I can also have another one. Let me say hover, and also we have another one which is active, for instance. Okay, when it is active like this. So we have different elements and different things we can do. Let me just see. Okay, when the page is link, I want to give it a color red, background color red. If it is visited, I want to give it blue like that. If it is what is over, I want to make it yellow. Okay, the blue. If it is like active, we want to make it a green or whatever like that. Okay, now if I say this one, say if okay, let me just see it like that. Okay, refresh this page here, you see that it is red like that. So this shows that it is red, but it is when nothing happened, it just link, it should be red. But what about if it is visited? If it's visited, what happened? Let me just show you to the link. When it is visited, you see that when it is mouse over, it is green. When it is visited, look at this. Let me just try to explain it to you. Let me refresh it. When nothing happened to it, it's linked, right? That is why we have background color red here, and then background color red in there. Okay, when it is visited, that is when it is linked. They say the color should be changed to blue. When it is over, when it's active, is green. Meaning when it's active, when you click on it, it is working. That is when you say active. So when it is mouse over it, then it is actually yellow like that. So if you go to the link here, you'll be able to see when it is over the yellow, when it is active link red, when it is green active green, and blue when it is not when it is visited like that. Okay, do you see the different colors? We have different designs. Sometimes you may even need to maybe put a different things to happen within a page, or maybe when you click and hold like that, you see the green. That is when it is say moment it is visited, you see the green. Okay, so that is what we know about anchor tag. Is different states. We have the state of active. This one is the state of what? State of link. This one state of hover. This one state of active. This one state of visited like that. Okay, you already visited it, and it will just show you that hey, so you have visited this link and visited the other one like that. Is that okay? But if you refresh the page, or the functionality now become this is still be, and it is active state that yes, this page has been linked. Is that okay? So that is the way that you can be able to see it very well. So that is all we need. The way we know for pseudo classes, and then for link over it like that. So pseudo classes also will be combine them with a class. Let's see, I want to maybe have a different tag here. Is that okay? Maybe this one with a class, maybe the other one with no class. So let's say we have three link 1, link 2, link 3. But the problem here is I don't if I leave it like that, save it here, save it here,